Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Daiwa 15-inch 4K Smart TV. What's exciting about this one is that it's running WebOS. Now WebOS is known to be very well optimized, super smooth, easy to use and above all, clean. You get all your favorite apps and the amazing features like MEMC, two-way Bluetooth and Miracast. Very exciting. So without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox it and have a closer look at it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Alright, let's straight dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the TV. On the top right, we can see the WebOS TV. In the center, we have a list of the apps that we get like Netflix, Prime Videos and YouTube. Below we see some features like Magic Remote, ThinQ AI, Dolby Audio and 4K Ultra HD. On the side are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $47,999. Inside the box you have a quick setup guide, two metal stands, and this comes with matte black finish. And this looks really premium. It also has rubber at the base so it gets a good grip on the table. Really nice. Screws to mount the stands, a wall mount bracket, two AA batteries for the remote, and finally the Magic Remote. Now the best part about this is that it has an air mouse and it's a universal remote. So you can use it with your DVD player, set-top box and even your soundbar. If you look closely, there is a scroller in the center just like a mouse, which will make navigating so much more fun and easier. It also has a D-pad in the center. You have the number pad on the top and you can preset them to open apps of your preference just like Quick Launch, power button, volume up and down, voice control, home button, hotkeys for Netflix and Prime Videos, pause play quick keys and Daiwa branding. It's a true smart remote. Alright, let's fix the stands and set it up. There you go. But before we boot it up, let me tell you about its built-in design. The frame is made of metal and looks really premium. Also worth noticing that the bezels are really slim. The lower bezel is a little thicker and has the Daiwa branding. Overall, I'd say it's very clean with almost no bezels on three sides. The back is well built and some ports are on the side while some are behind. Headphone jack, two HDMI ports and one USB port on the side. Ethernet, optical, AV composite, USB, HDMI 3 and antenna are below. So we get three HDMI ports on this TV and the HDMI 2 port, which is on the side, supports ARC. So you can connect your home theater system and soundbar that come with ARC support. It's the most convenient way to get the best audio experience to external speakers. Alright, while we set up this device, here's a quick glance at the specifications. ARM 1.1 GHz quad-core CPU, 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. It comes with 400 nits peak brightness. We get 1.5 GB of RAM with 8 GB internal storage. MEMC support, dual band Wi-Fi support, HDR10 and HLG support, 20 watt sound output with Dolby Audio, and it's running WebOS. Okay, let's start straight with the display. Now it's a 4K VA panel and it looks really good. The colors are extremely punchy and vivid. Of course, you can customize it as per your preference in the picture settings. But I was very happy with the way the colors looked out of the box. Also thanks to 400 nits peak brightness, the videos look clear, crisp and bright. Now this TV also supports HDR and you can see the logo on the top right. One of the best HDR experiences I can say for a TV at this price point. The blacks too were really good, however not the deepest but pretty satisfying. The TV also comes with MEMC and it's a treat to watch these videos, and more than that, it does full justice to the sports content. It feels so real because of the smoothness. It also comes with auto low latency, which is ideal for console gaming. It also comes with Quantum Luminate Plus, which upscales your content to 4K with smart AI. Overall, I can say that the viewing experience is pretty good. Alright, it's time to talk about the OS. So the first thing you'd see is that you have an air mouse, which actually makes it so much more easier to browse. There you go. And of course, when you press the home screen, you come to the home dashboard. So right here, you can see all your inputs, your TV, your HDMI, your live TV, everything right here. Then you have your mobiles. That means the Redmi K20 Pro, the phone that I'm using, already has the ThinQ AI app. So I can actually use the TV directly from there. the LG ThinQ app, click on open, make sure you see your TV here, and after that you can actually control the volume, go back to home page, everything directly from the app itself. You can change channels, you can actually even go into settings, there you can see the settings have popped up. You can actually even turn off and on your TV directly from this app. It's going to be a very handy app that you need to use. You can control everything from the TV without the remote directly from this app. Also, you can mirror your Android phone by coming here, mobile screen mirroring, click on this, and there you go. You might notice some slight lag, but if you're playing a video on your phone, it mirrors quite well on the TV. By the way, you can also control ThinQ AI enabled other devices at your home with this app as well. Coming back to the home dashboard, you can see all your input sources. You can also choose your sound out from internal speakers, optical, HDMI, wired headphones, optical and internal. All these directly from here you can select. Then here you can see your storage, your USB. I'm clicking on it. So I'm also playing a 4K video. There you go. 4K videos play flawlessly. Smooth, really without any problem. I played a couple of 4K videos. Further here you have sound share. Now this is because it has two-way Bluetooth. So you can connect your smartphone to the TV via Bluetooth to play the music that is on your phone through the TV speakers. And right now, the song that is playing on my phone, the audio is coming from the TV speakers. On the top right, you can actually see that there's an option to turn off the screen, which basically is if you're not watching the TV, you can turn off the screen and enjoy your music, which will also save some power. So now if you press the home button, it'll show you all the apps that you can get from here. And as I said before, it's so smooth and so snappy. Content store, if you go inside, the collection is decent. You have all the popular apps that you need: Hangama Play, Alt Balaji, Netflix, Prime Videos, Sony Live, YouTube Kids. Almost everything that you basically need to stream is available on the store here. Coming back, you have Netflix, Disney Hotstar, Z5, Prime Videos, YouTube, Voot, Yup TV, and so many more. You can actually even browse the web, and there you go. And the best part is because the remote comes with a scroller, the scrolling is smooth and even more accurate. It's just too precise. It's so much more easier than compared to when you're going like this. That's really not fun, but when you scroll with the scroller, it's like actually scrolling on your laptop. Then further down you have photos and videos, and you have music, edit and settings. In the picture settings, you can actually set the picture mode settings from vivid to auto power save to cinema, and cinema is a great experience to watch on this TV. In cinema mode, the picture is calibrated to D6500 so you can enjoy true cinema-like picture quality. Check it out. Also checked out some apps like Netflix, and it worked like a breeze. The scroller on the remote is such a blessing. It saves time and is far more convenient. The TV also comes with ThinQ AI voice system. So press the mic button on your remote and ask it for the weather, or ask it to open the apps, and it works flawlessly.
Netflix. Okay, I'll go to Netflix app.
And it works really well. Now some of you might feel that 1.5 GB of RAM and 8 GB internal storage is less than what we usually see with Android TVs. Well, actually WebOS is Linux based OS which doesn't need as much RAM. The user experience is completely lag-free and probably would be even the same with just 1 GB of RAM. Then 8 GB internal storage is going to be enough for all the apps that you're ever going to need. Trust me on this one. The TV comes with 20 watt sound output with Dolby audio support. And even though that might not sound a lot on paper, the output was pretty impressive, loud and thumpy. However, at high volume, I did experience slight distortion. The 50-inch 4K Daiwa TV comes with 1 year warranty, plus 1 year of warranty on the panel. But remember, you'll have to register on the My Daiwa app to avail that offer. By the way, the My Daiwa app will come handy for a lot of things. You can ask for the installation or chat with the customer care or even tutorials. There is so much more on that app and it's a must-have if you have a Daiwa TV. Daiwa has over 800 plus service centers pan-India, so you don't have to worry about after sales or warranty. Alright, coming to the price. The 50-inch 4K Daiwa TV is priced at 43,999. But, hang on. For a limited period, you can grab this TV for just 39,999. You can buy this from the Daiwa website or actually even from offline stores near you. I'll leave the links and the contact details in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.